This video will introduce you to the Wi-Fi function. First, open the Play Store. Then search for the Smart Life app. Install the Smart Life app. Open the Smart Life app. Log in with your Google account. Grant the following permissions and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Press and hold the contact button on the controller for 2 to 3 seconds to activate the Wi-Fi function. The Wi-Fi light is on, indicating that the Wi-Fi function is turned on. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner of the app to add a device. Click to connect to the searched device. Connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. Device is connecting. Please wait patiently. A green check mark on the device indicates a successful connection. After successful connection, we can monitor the pump's operation status. Control its start and stop. And set target pressure values via our mobile phone.